Mocha Brown 6-inch quick link, and you need to put about 4 inches of air into this. So with my Qualitex pump, that's about 3 strokes of the pump. There you go. And don't tie off, but just hold that and inflate your next 6-inch quick link. And we're going to put 2 strokes of the pump in there, and then we're just going to tie them together. Next, take your Mocha Brown 5-inch round and put 1 stroke of the pump into each balloon. So we're going to tie these together into duplets. So hang on to each one, just tie them together. Give them a squeeze, just to bring out the shine, and make another one of these and wrap them together. And then take your reindeer body and just wrap the tail of that quick link into that 4 balloon cluster. Next, take your white 260, give your balloon a squeeze, and we're just going to make 2 very tiny, we're just going to make 2 very small flower petal twists. About 3 fingers or so. And then a small, an even smaller flower petal twist. So that one's perhaps about 2 fingers or so. And wrap that all together. Just trim off the ends of the nozzles of your quick links, and then wrap this into the neck there. And before we break off this balloon, we're just going to make a 2 or 3 finger pinch twist at the back of the neck. And then we can break this off and tie. Then take your little scrap of red 260 with just sort of 2 fingers or so of air in. Pull that into those cheeks, wrap it around the pinch twist at the back, and then trim off the excess. Next, take your 260 Mocha Brown, give it a squeeze. I've got perhaps about 4 fingers of tail there, doesn't really matter. Wrap the nozzle into the base a few times, bring your 260 up the side and wrap into the neck, and then back down the other side of the reindeer's body and just wrap into the base there. And just arrange everything. You can make a little loop, little flower petal twist of perhaps about 4 fingers for your reindeer's tail. And just wrap that back into that cluster at the base, cut off. Okay. So that's what you've got at the moment. Next, take your Mocha Brown 160, and we're just going to make 2 finger pinch twists. So however you like to do your pinch twists. And then we're going to make 2 small loop twists, ear twists. So about 4 fingers or so, and do 2 of those. Put those together, cut off, tie. I do tend to tie the 160s. Just a little more temperamental than the 260s. And then take your ears, take the tip of your quick link and bring that in from the back. Okay, so that's what we've got at the moment. Next, to make our reindeer's antlers, we're going to need a chocolate brown 160, and we're just going to make 2 very small 1 finger pinch twists. So make 2 1 finger bubbles, bring them together and use the nozzle just to pinch twist those, wrapping it through like that. Give your balloon a squeeze and make 2 loop twists of about 3 fingers each. They don't have to be exact. There you go. And then we're going to make a little 3-finger bubble, followed by 2 1 to 1.5 finger pinch twists. And then we're going to do another 3-finger bubble, match that. So we've got 2, and then we're going to make 2 1 to 1.5 finger pinch twists. Don't worry if that middle one, don't worry if that one comes undone. And another 3-finger bubble, followed by 2 1-finger pinch twists. Okay, so this is what we've got at the moment. And then we're going to make 2 3-finger loop twists. Put that in and discard the rest. Just reinstate that twist there. Grab your Rudolph and just bring those antlers from behind, around those 2 pinch twists, cross over at the front, and then just bring them so that they rest on top of Rudolph's head. And you can arrange the antlers however you prefer. And then we'll draw the face. So take a black Sharpie and just make an oval or a circle, whichever you prefer. And try to get them as close as possible to the same size. And then some little eyebrows. And then we're finished with our black Sharpie. Take a white paint pen. I always use an Edding. This is a 750. And making sure that your Sharpie is dry, make a small dot here, followed by an even smaller one, a small circle there, followed by a little dot. And then what I do with this sculpture, I kind of like to give him I was going to say a doe-eyed look, but I don't know whether a male deer can have a doe-eyed look. Seems a bit of a contradiction. But anyway, I think it makes him look cuter. So I'm just going to put this little sort of semicircle underneath.